I am back with a bang. So today I will cook for you the rural Bengali cuisine. Why only Bengal? It is eaten all over India and it is called by different names. It is traditional in Bengal, the northeast and the Orissa part. So my star dish will be watered down rice, or in Bengali we call it panta bhat, or in common Nepali we call it pani bhat. So we will need rice and some plain water. You can see the final product. I had soaked it last night. Then with this rice I will make fish fries marinated in turmeric and salt, accompanied by brinjal, roasted brinjal, for which we will need garlic and chilies. And the best part, we'll be having the soft shoot of the colocasia, for which I have soaked black grams. It has been soaked overnight. And the favorite of many people, teasel gourd, or in Bengali we call kakrol, which will be marinated with salt, sugar and turmeric and later fried. And as you can see, the teasel gourd has been cut into roundels. And for the most exotic part today, we go to the ripe jackfruit, and I will make fritters with the juice I have made. And the seeds too won't go to waste. I will make a mash of them with mustard. And we have rice flour here for the fritters and oil here for the panta bhat. And those are my grandparents there. They sure must be feeling very hungry looking at these. So I'll talk about the history of this food as we go along. Let's go to the kitchen. The brinjal is done. The trick most people don't know is to put the brinjal in a bowl and cover it so that it is easier to peel. Okay. Now we start cooking the colocasia. We have to keep in mind that this colocasia consumes a lot of oil. It takes in a lot of oil, so I will make sure I have enough oil in the pan. So the oil has heated up, so let's put in the colocasia. And 3 to 4 slick chilies so that it doesn't catch your throat or your throat doesn't itch. Let's add to it turmeric and salt. And let's stir and fry it a little. Cook it on low flame until it's nice and tender. While the colocasia is cooking, we put the jackfruit seeds to boil. The colocasia is quite tender now, so it's time we put in the black grams and mix it well so that all the flavor is, it's even, it's tasteful. The colocasia is almost done now, so let's add a little bit of sugar for flavor and as per your taste, and cook it for another 5 minutes. The colocasia is done now, so we start with the teasel gourd, or in Nepali we also call ghiraula. This will be our end product. More so that I can fry the fish too in the same oil. So we start frying the teasel gourd. Guys, there is a special plan, a new plan in my meal I'm cooking today, and I'm excited to cook this. The very own Hilsa fish of Bengal. While this is frying, I will marinate my Hilsa fish with turmeric and salt. You know, while cooking, what I love is music. What do you like? Alright, so let's get back to business. On one wok, I'll be frying the fish, while on the other, I'll continue to fry the fritters. Go. The fritters are done. The special thing about these fritters are they are mostly chewy but very sweet. And so we are done with the second last thing, the fish fry. Now for the most exotic part for today, the frying of the Hilsa fish. Let's mash the seeds, and to it we will add a few drops of mustard oil. Salt and the mustard. And mash it nicely and well. Let's add oil to the wok to fry our Hilsa fish. The oil for the Hilsa fish, it's hot already, you can see, and it should not go to waste. You can use it to make any other curry or fry. Please be careful while putting in the fish, it will flutter. This was on our plate before, and I didn't explain what it was because I wanted it, to be a surprise for you all. The magical size of this lemon is, it's almost as big as my hand. So we'll slice it up and serve it with the panta bhat. So we are done with the fish. Now to the plating. So let's get on with the plating. Since the theme being traditional, foods and cuisines, why not use traditional earthenware? This panta bhat, it's very good for the body. It increases good bacteria in the gut, and also it cools your body in the summertime. I won't be putting much, for it will be served for only one person. although I'm eager to dive into it. I think my dog's hungry too. It's going after me. It's tailing me continually. I'm sorry, but this is human food, dog. Alright then, we are done. The liquid of life. So here we go with the traditional food of northern India. Hope you all like it. And my mother is eagerly waiting to dive into the hilsa fish, so I have to restrain her, and my dad is videoing me. So hope you all like the video, and thank you very much.